So my name's Phil Aquedi, I'm a storyteller, and I am one of the facilitators in the Men on Conversation workshops that we've been doing. This Men in Conversation project with People Speak Up is actually part of a project that People Speak Up are involved with, Beyond the Border Storytelling Festival, and they have a mycelium hub. So the idea is all these mycelium run underneath the ground. And so they have appointed storytellers and producers to act as a hub for this network of creative people. And People Speak Up have an associate role in that. So I'm an associate storyteller, Kavar, with People Speak Up.
So my name is Chris Grogan and I created Men in Conversation. I felt it was something that was needed. So I spoke to Eleanor, who runs People Speak Up, and she gave me permission to start it. So that's where it came from, really. So when we were doing the online sessions, it was more of a conversation based. It was very much, how's your day doing, what you've been up to, is there anything people want to talk about specifically, or do you just want to chat? And then as we've come into these sessions now, we've been doing a lot more exercise-based stuff, creative exercises, painting, we've just been doing mask work, storytelling, singing. It's been a good mix of everything, really.